Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video, I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan and I will be showing you how to use the emergency or parking brake. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the parking brake is located under the steering wheel. You will see like a black pedal right here. It's gonna say push to release on it. Now to engage the parking brake, what you will do, you will push it all the way in with your left foot and then remove the foot, and this pedal will stay in, pushed in. And if you look at your instrument cluster, down here you will get like a red brake symbol. That means the parking brake is engaged. And now once the parking brake is engaged, even if you shift to reverse or drive, this symbol will start blinking, but the vehicle still shouldn't move even if you don't press the brake pedal, right? And now a small test you can try doing, but make sure to do this on your driveway or in a parking lot, not on a public road. One way to test if this parking brake is holding, you can gently press the gas pedal, right? And the vehicle still shouldn't move. You see, I keep pressing it gently, but brake is holding, the vehicle is not moving. So this is a small test also you can try doing just to make sure that it's holding how it's supposed to hold. And now to disengage the parking brake, I will shift back to the parking mode, and then if you look at this pedal, to disengage it again you will press it with your foot. With your left foot, you will hear a click, and then you will just release it from the pedal. And I will demonstrate one more time quickly. So to engage it, press it all the way in, remove your foot. To disengage it, press it in, you will hear a click, and then lift your foot up, and that's all you have to do. And you want to make sure it's completely released before driving. If you still see a red symbol here, that means you didn't release that parking brake all the way, because you see you don't have to push it in all the way, you can push it just a bit and leave it here, and then this symbol will be on, but the parking brake is not holding like 100%. You maybe just engage like 20 or 30% of it, you know. Now to release it, same stuff, you will just press it all the way in and release. And once this light is off, you can drive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.